Hey, it's Lee at Carson City RV. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes and show you this. This is a 2024 RZR by Polaris. Something very cool. Like we sell all kinds of stuff here, not just RVs. This is something that a customer traded in a couple of weeks ago. It's a 2024 model. From what I understand, it was never taken in the sand, but it's been on mainly trail use. It's got less than 16,000 miles. Is it right? 1,600 miles. So it's got really low miles on it. They did upgrade the light bar on the top. It does have off-road suspension, as you can see. It has Fox shocks. It is a four-seater, and that is something that people are really requesting a lot of. They want the bigger model. I mean, really heavy duty. I mean, I don't know a ton about these things, but you know, here at Carson City RV, we'll take it in a boat, we'll take in a trailer, we'll take in, you know, just about anything. Check this out. We got these little electric motorcycles. This is a 2020 Harley Davidson. Very, very cool stuff. Hey, so you really need to come down and see us. We're at 4550 North Carson Street. We are selling fun. We carry a little bit of everything and we want to earn your business.